Hi there, I'm Jonathan. I'm from the education team here at Shortcuts. One of the questions we've been getting through to the help desk is how, when we cancel an appointment, how can we record that cancellation in relation to COVID? And then at a later date, we can print a report to be able to contact those clients that cancelled for this reason. So this is what I'm going to show you now very quickly. So what we need to do is just pop to the appointment book. So we're just going to have a look at Wednesday, which is 2 days away. And let's just imagine that Stella at the bottom of Danny's column there is a client that's going to cancel for the reason of the COVID-19. So what we want to do is be able to record that properly, like I said before. So just going to right click and go to delete. We'll just write in here COVID and click on client cancellation. Now, at a later date, when we want to pull up all the cancellations that we've had in the appointment book over a date range, we can just go over to reports and clients and cancelled appointments. We'll click on view, the bottom there. For this example, I'm just going to simply click on Wednesday, but you can pop in there a date range. We'll click on view again. So you can see we've had 3 appointments so far cancelled. For each one of those, you can see the name, the original date and time with who the appointment was with, and also the reason, which for these 3 is the COVID. So I hope you found that useful. Any other requests that you might have, just please call help desk. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.